Hi, to enter a split screen on your POCO F6, as a first step, let's find the first tab for our split screen. So from the list, I'm gonna select YouTube. We just need to open it and then tap the square icon on the bottom of the page to view it in recently opened apps tab. So we can see the name of the app and this lock icon, which we need to press and hold till we see additional icons appears on the screen. So here you would need to select this icon, which is for split screen. And after that, you can select the second app from your recents, or you can tap the home button and select any app from the home page. For example, let's choose Notes. And now you can use YouTube and Notes at the same time. Also, you can see these three dots, right? We can tap it and we can flip it like that. Or for example, we can make this app as a floating window. Let's just flip it again and make it as a floating window by tapping this second icon. And now the notes are as a floating window. We can also resize it if we just drag those lower corners like that. We can tap on the three dots and make another layer by pressing this icon, and now we got two Notes apps and YouTube. So we can use three apps basically at the same time. So we can just enter the first note here, the second here, and watch YouTube at the same time, which is really convenient. And also we can just close this first window and leave just two of them. And to go back to the split screen, just select the splitted icon like that. And to make one app on a full screen, select this full plain black colored icon. And now you got only Notes app. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.